I hope you all are safe at home. Today, we are going to learn maths subject. Come on, let's learn now. Today, we are going to learn the 10th chapter, Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. 10th chapter, Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Okay, this is a lesson heading. Okay. Listen here. What is this? 1 rupee note. What is this? 1 rupee note. Indian currency, our country currency. Okay, 1 rupee note. This also 1 rupee note. ₹1 note. Okay, these are 1 rupee note. Old one. Okay, old one. Look at this. 1 rupee note. 1 rupee note. Okay. Now you are going to see the 2 rupee note. What is this? 2 rupee note. Look at this one. This one is 5 rupee note. Nowadays we are using this 5 rupee note. See? 5 rupee note. We are not using this 2 rupee and 1 rupee note. Okay, kids? Okay. Currencies. See? Paise. Okay, our Indian currency paise. 5 paise. This one is 5 paise. Look at this one. This one is 20 paise. This also 20 paise. Okay, our currency only. See. This one is 25 paise. Next one is 50 paise. See, 50 paise, 25 paise, 20 paise, 5 paise. Okay, 5, 20, 25, 50. Okay, kids? Nowadays we are not using these currencies. This 5 paise, 25 paise, 20 paise, 25 paise, 50 paise, 1 rupee note and this 2 rupees note. Okay. Nowadays we are not using this. These are valueless. Okay, so I keep this on this side. These are our currencies. Okay, now you are going to learn the foreign currencies. Okay, now you are going to see that. Look at this one. $1. Can you able to see? $1. This one is Singapore. Okay, Singapore. In Singapore, $1. Singapore currency. Okay, I keep this here. Next one, one dime American currency. American. Okay. American. This one is American money. Look at this deeply. Can you able to see? Yes. Old coin. Now you are seeing that old currencies collections. See the next one. Cent. 1 cent. Malaya money. Okay. 1 cent. This one is 5 cent Malaya. This also 5 cent Malaya. Okay, Malaya money. I keep that in down here. It's 10 cent. This also 10 cent. 20 cent. This also 20 cent. These are foreign currencies, cuties. Foreign currencies, 20 cent. Then 20 cent Brunei money. This one is 20 cent Brunei money. Okay. 20 cent Brunei money. Not cent. Sen. Okay. S-E-N. Sen. This one is differ. These are cent. This one is sen. Brunei money. And then next one. Look at this one. This also foreign currency. This also foreign currency. Different country. This also different country. Look at this deeply. Can you able to see? Okay. These are some foreign currency collections. Okay. Various countries. Various countries' monies are present here. America, Singapore, Malaya, Brunei, like that. Okay. These are our Indian currencies. 2 rupees, 1 rupee note, 5 rupee note. Okay, kids. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for listening. Bye to all.